But mommy, you try for this rice one. The thing makes sense now with mom.
If I know if you settle down, prepare this one self. If I settle down, cook for you, you'll believe now.
You be mumu.
The thing makes sense now with mom. You do not the best cook, I tell you.
Baby, if you get a thing I be want to tell you.
Yes, baby, what is it?
I don't know, Sha. But maybe still try me you look for work now.
What?
Oh, but this say we don't first settle this issue. Me never first tell you say if not because of this second lockdown. Now, if I don't go to look for what and what can they do?
You are a mumu man.
What you come make people the bring and come out again now?
Oh, baby, as in, I know they like the way they shout on me. As in, it's not what you think. It's just that, my friend, they talk say I put my for house for Europe. Now me they feed down, now me they plot and now me they do everything for her.
Oh, I'm mumu not too much.
So now what your friends they talk, now they listen to. Your friend when be say they not even get any serious relationship. Then when be say now men I gog there for this Europe. You know how many men we they don't put for house we don't gog there for this Europe. You they listen to what they talk. Now I tell you, as those your friends they there now, they jealousy if you don't know. It is easy to pull back for house for Europe.
What?
Now they go feed one. You ask them, say all the money where they don't make since when they come to Europe, what they take and do? If not be la where they talk. What they not do for house now they come they talk say they do. All their money where they make for you, now boys now they spread that on. You can't listen to them. People when they feel the jealousy, you don't know.
Oh, I'm mumu not too much.
Wait, that will not be like Sha.
Did you keep quiet?
They listen to them. Me not tell you that they say your friend Sandra. The day when see me for train station, I call the food they ask me for my phone number.
What?
Yeah? For your back, you know what they do. But if they reach where you did now, they'll call the talk. They listen to them, make them spoil your relationship. Now you know.
Especially that Sandra. Now she they always they talk and pass.
You be mumu.
Every time if you just see me for work, then go they say your boyfriend don't sit there so if they sleep for house. Now you they psycho. But me no say for my back, you go they want me come they snatch my boyfriend.
They want collect your boyfriend for your back. But if they reach where you did, they'll call the talk.
In way be say black boy use the money to go build a 4 flat for Nigeria. I know what I will do. I want you deleting number even for WhatsApp. Because my bad friend they be. They go they tell me about you and later they'll come they pass my back when they try to toast you. You see, because if their relationship don't scatter, they want me they still scatter another person. Yo.
You be mumu.
I tire for you.
Baby, I'm sorry. I know your vex the way I talk to you. All those useless people.
You be mumu.
You know, say I tell you, say they come for us, say my mom not do this and like that. So how about the money when I ask you now? Let's see if I eat finish now so that I might go send out the money.
Baby, you want money safe.
As in, if I never feel go send them the money now, the thing go they affect me for my mind like that. So you know, if I don't feel send them the money now, I can't get the strength to count how much you wear.
I don't already keep the money for you. I just see me if it finish, then I come bring and come for you.
Oh, I'm mumu not too much.
The devil is a liar, if not be for this Europe, now
See, baby, I just can't wait by the time we all get married and maybe we just come up for all these people. Even them, Mother Sandra and Janet, I don't want even they follow all of them, they talk against self.
You be mumu.
Now you know, if you like, not follow the talk. Who want marry you will be okbo.
That is God.
Let's go.